Hello everyone, welcome to Study Channel. Our today's topic is structure of human eye. You know, the human eye is a spherical shaped organ. The outer coat of the eye is white and gives strength and protection to the eye. The main parts of human eye are cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, eye lens and optic nerve. Let's discuss functions and importance of various parts of the eye. First, sclera. This is the outermost layer of human eye. It is thick, opaque and white in color. It gives shape to the eye and protects the eye from the mechanical injuries. Next is cornea. Cornea is the transparent front part of the sclera is called cornea. It is bulked outward. The light from the object enters the eye through cornea. Then choroid. Choroid is the second layer of eye which is present between sclera and retina. It contains grey pigments. It is opaque and tough. It keeps the interior part dark and hence prevents internal reflections. Aqueous humor. This is a transparent fluid present between the cornea and the eye lens. It keeps the cornea moist and gives shape to the eyeball. Then is iris. Iris is present behind the cornea. It is colored due to the pigmentation. High pigmentation results in black color of the eye. Next is pupil. It is a small hole in the center of the iris that appears black in the eye. Eye is pupil. The main function of the pupil is to allow light to enter the eye. If the light is dim, the iris expands the pupil to allow more light to enter the eye, and if the light is bright, the iris contracts the pupil to allow less amount of light entering the eye. When we enter into a dark room, suddenly from bright light, we cannot see anything. Similarly, when we come out of a dark room to bright light suddenly, we feel a glaring effect. This is because in the both cases, the pupil either expands or contracts. It takes time to adjust to the normal condition. Now is eye lens. Eye lens is behind the pupil. It is convex lens made of transparent flexible jelly-like material. The main function of the eye lens is to focus the light entering into the eye on the retina of the eye by changing its focal length. The focal length of the lens depends on its thickness. A thick lens has short focal length, but a thin lens has long focal length. Next is ciliary muscles. There is a ring of muscles whose function is to hold the eye lens in its place and to change the focal length of the lens by making it thick or thin to see both the nearby and distant objects. When ciliary muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin and focal length is increased. When the ciliary muscles are tensed, stretched, the lens becomes thick and focal length is decreased. The ability of the eye to see the distant and nearby objects by changing the focal length of eye lens is called accommodation. Now is vitreous humor. The space between eye lens and retina is filled with the transparent gelatinous material called vitreous humor. It keeps the eyes wet. Next is retina. Retina is the screen on which the image is formed. It is the most delicate part of the eye behind the eye lens. The retina contains various nerve cells. The retina consists of two kinds of cells, rod and cone cells. Now, the rod and the cone cells are sensitive to the dim light and respond to intensity of light. Cone cells are sensitive to bright light and can detect color. Second last is optic nerve. The rod and cone cells in retina are connected to optic nerve. The optic nerve carries image formed on the retina to the brain in the form of electrical signals. Last topic is blind spot. At the junction of optic nerve and retina, there are no sensory cells, rods or cones, so no image is formed at this point. So guys, this was the structure and function of parts of an eye. Hope you understood. For more knowledgeable videos, please subscribe and follow my channel. In next video, I will explain you how our eyes are working. Thank you.